sunny day in San Juan, Puerto Rico. I am walking to the beach. So the beach is literally like 10 steps away from where I'm staying. And it's beautiful. That's where I'm going today. So I'm gonna show y'all like exactly how it looks. Okay, so once you make this corner, which is like 5 steps away from where I'm staying, the beach is, voila, right there, like right there. Can it get any closer? I don't think it can. I don't think it can. I think one day this week I'm gonna come and sit with and watch the sun set. Coconuts. This is my first time at the beach. Oh yeah. Ooh. First time at the beach all 2020. It's the finish wave. Oh wait, no. This is my first time at the beach all 2021. And some serious waves out here today. It's a little strong, like, undertone, but I've never bathed in clear blue water. Like, I could see, look at this. The beach was absolutely beautiful, but now it is time to get some lunch. I am going to the restaurant that I went when I first came here. The food is absolutely delicious. I can't wait to take you and show you where it was and show you the food. And I'm going to show you some of San Juan. How cute, they have a swing. Viva las Puerto Rico. Okay, so that is the restaurant. It is, oh, I don't want to say it wrong, but it's the Cafeteria y Restaurante. It's Quisqueya. I think that's how you say it. If you follow me on Instagram, send me a voice note on how to say it, but it's right there. And their food is bomb. Had it before and I'm back again. This time I'm gonna do dine-in though, so y'all can see pretty pictures of the food.
$30.
Okay, so this is the restaurant. Like, the food is so good. Let me show you the menu. So the food has arrived. I got the salmon with rice and beans, and it comes with a salad. Got a side of mofongo to share. And here is mommy's plate. She has arroz con gandules, salad, and the steak potatoes.
This one too.
Oh, that looks so good. Yes. Okay, so I had this food before, but I want to do a first bite impression for you guys. But I already know it's gonna taste amazing. So, rice and beans, arroz con habichuelas. And filet de salmon and garlic sauce. Y mofongo. Get it in a garlic sauce. I'm moving to Puerto Rico, y'all. I'm moving to Puerto Rico. I ain't coming back. I'm here to stay forever because and I don't know what sauce this is, but it's good. Food. It's amazing, like, it's delicious.